Last XAN biker on the way here. He actually stopped for fuel. I made sure he was all right. My face that dirty, or it's pretty well that dirty. But yeah, this is our accommodations for this weekend.
Uranus. 20 years or more, I've been riding bikes and strumming chords, entertaining bikers just like you. 20 years I've made a living off the tips that you've been given. This hard highway life you've seen me through. For 20 years, tying down gear and singing loud. One look back, then rolling out. Thank you, I hold your respect, dear. Still I'm asking y'all for another 20 years. 20 years I've called you family. When you're singing with me, the rambling man inside me is right at home. I've never thanked you, sisters and brothers, for the miles that we've covered. Let me do it now before the rambling man.
Oh yeah. What's going on, everybody? So we are here at Switchback Bar. The parking lot has thinned out a lot in the last 30 minutes. Yeah, I don't really have a whole lot to say, but it's been a pretty good turnout. The bike show went good for Witchcraft Cycle Works. They had 9 entries. So yeah, it was a pretty good time. We got here right as the bike show had ended. See y'all later.
Alright, you ready running in first gear? Are you ready running in first gear? Dino says he's ready. Watch your lights, watch your lights. Alright, on your left side with a reaction time of 0.141, 10.00 seconds at 120.32 miles an hour. Ready. Dino says he's ready. Watch your lights, watch your lights. lap with a reaction time of .580. He waited for this green light to come on. He thought that red light was going to come on, then he took off. He had a 10.04 seconds at 115.39 or 36 miles an hour. On your left side with a reaction time of .260. He had a 9.26 seconds at 134.59 miles an hour. He was getting it.
It's just me. I thought you were going out. I was letting you walk through.
That Jerry Springer shit, too, boy.
Next time, could you please hit my bear? I will, yeah. I tried.
Left, right, forward. Just looking around. Oh yeah, you can't see shit, it's a GoPro. As I was saying, we're on our way home from the spring fling in Eureka Springs, Arkansas. Had a good time hanging out with everybody at the house. We had XAM biker, which he actually left yesterday. He said he just had a feeling that he needed to be home. Jay Sorsby was there. He was without his wife, but I guess we'll take it. Saddle tramping the missus. Firecracker on 2 wheels. And Mike from right in the Ozarks. And also their buddy Steve, who doesn't have a channel. Let's see, got down there Thursday mid-afternoon. And just went straight to the cat house from there. Then Friday, we woke up and some of us went and rode down to Oark for lunch at the Oark General Store. Make a pretty good burger. Then, what'd we do? Oh, that's where we figured out Firecracker had a bad wheel bearing. So we called AAA and they came and picked up the bike and took it to Big Joe Harley, and they had her fixed up by the end of the night. But we had a meet and greet to get to, so we just waited till the next day to pick it up. And where'd we go? Oh yeah, we went to Switchback Bar and had our meet and greet there. Prayed to Prayed to the cat house from there, which should have seen footage of it. I just parked on the side of the road and let everybody pass me. But yeah, that Saturday I didn't do much. I was meeting up with a guy about collaboration, kind of sponsoring videos. Kind of busy for a Sunday morning, ain't it? So, we just ate lunch at Buffalo Wild Wings in Rolla. Wasn't my first pick for a place to eat, but I wanted to sit down, have an adult beverage, and warm up a little bit. Current temperature is 56, which is about 10 degrees warmer than when we left. And you would think that after about a year they'd have this construction looking a little bit better. Oh, let's just get to the house. Well, we've made it home. Oh, seen my first Cybertruck. It's just as ugly in person as it is on TV, YouTube, and whatnot. Yeah. That's probably gonna do it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I upload. See you guys in the next one.